Hi everyone, this is Robin from Robin's Resins Plus and RBK Aromatherapy. I want to show you what you're getting when you take my frankincense course. You must have the book. There are two prices on the website. One is without the book. Those are for people who already have the book. And then there's one with the book. So make sure you pick the right one, because if you don't have the book, you cannot take this course. The book, the course is about the book, and in the book is everything about frankincense. So you need the book. Without the book, you can't do the course. What it is you get the book. Here's the book. This is the frankincense book. It's all in color, and it explains every single one of the resins that you use, because you need to learn about the resins before you can even use the essential oil, because each essential oil works differently, just like each resin works differently. So you get the book, then you read the book. Once you read the book, I send you a PDF. I send you an exam. It's an 80-question exam. You fill it out. It's writable, so you fill it out right there. Then you email it back to me. When you email it back to me, I will grade it. And once I grade it, then you can go to the website that I will send you with a password, and you can take the rest of the course. There are two bonuses for this course. The first bonus, I decided to add my companion PDF to the course. And what the companion is, it's all recipes. It's the recipes that are in the book, plus about 60 more recipes. So it's a combination of everything. The PDF you will be able to print, but you can't copy it because it is copywritten. And it does have an ISBN number. So that you will get ahead of time. You will get the companion PDF, and you will get the exam in the mail, in your email. So hold on to that. But you get something even better, because the recording is all about the book. That's why you have to read the book first. And I go through each one of the resins. And in the past, when I did this, I showed you what the resins were. I held them out in my hand. Well, a lot of people said, well, we can't come to you, and we'd like to be able to experience the resins. So I said, well, that could work. So what I do is I give you 12 resins plus 1 Palo Santo. So you get a half an ounce of each resin. This is green hajari, and it says it on it, so you know what it is. This is Pamphyria. That's 2. This is Palo Santo. You get one of the sticks. That's 3. Whoops. This is Fariana, 3rd grade. That's 4. This is Superior Hajari Sacra. That's 5. And I actually even give you a little bit more than a half an ounce. If I grab it and it weighs a little bit more, I don't spill it out. This is Revere. This is Boswellia Qatari. See, I'm still going. This is Myrrh. This is Serrata. This is Neglecta. This is Brown Sacra. This is Black Hajari Sacra. They're all Hajari. This is Acacia Gum. and you get Damar Copal. So you get 13 resins. Nobody gives you all these resins for the price that I'm giving you, plus you have the course. And you'll learn how to infuse the resins, because in the course, all you have to do is get a ball jar of 4 ounces, and you need some carrier oil. You need about 3 ounces of carrier oil, and then you take one of these bags, whichever one you want, and put it in there, and you follow the directions that I'm going to give you on how to infuse the oil. So you get so much. And then once you're all done with the course, you get to keep the course until I retire. And I'm not retiring for at least another 4 or 5 years. So that's how long you get to keep the course. If you want, you will get 7 CEU credits for the course, because I'm a NAHA professional teacher, so you will get 7 CEU course. The only thing you need to do is you got to finish the course within 3 months of when you receive the book in the mail and the resins. If you do that, then you'll get the CEU credits. If you wait a year, you're not. So it's your choice. If you don't need them, so be it. But you'll get the resins and the book in the mail, and emailed you'll get the 2 PDFs. So go to my website. I will put the link for the book in the website. I will put in the comments. I will put with the book and without the book. If you do have the book, it's a little less money because the book's not included. So, but you get so much. And then once you're all done, if you have any questions, you can always email me and I'll answer any of your questions. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.